Hey YouTube, it's Alan Sugano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group, and today's topic is about vSAN and specifically having problems moving vMotioning a VM from one host to another. It just won't move. Or the other thing that you could do is you try to do a restore to a specific host in the vSAN cluster and it just fails. It's so weird, right? So we had to rebuild a vSAN cluster, and those were the symptoms that we ran into. Now, sometimes what happens is you'll look. Sometimes a flag will get thrown in vSAN, which basically says on that particular host, just shut down all the vSAN storage. And so the fix is relatively simple. Basically, you have to run a command that looks to see if the vSAN storage was paused. If it's set to a 1, that means it was paused. You have to change it to a 0. And then you have to reboot the host, and then things should magically work. I'll put all the steps that are necessary to check for this. So the bad news is, the first thought is, oh my gosh, something is terribly, terribly wrong with my cluster. Oh my gosh, I'm going to have to rebuild the whole thing, blah, blah, blah. And you're like, yeah, it's not good. But the good news here is that the fix is relatively simple once you know what to do. I mean, literally to fix this particular issue, it takes like 5 minutes, maybe 6 if you're terrible. So the fix is relatively simple, but the initial symptoms are very scary. So anyway, I'll put all the blah in the comments in the description below. So if you run into this, it's a relatively easy fix. So anyway, that's our tip of the week. If you have issues with a particular host not being able to vMotion with vSAN, vMotioning over to a particular host or restoring to a particular host, this might be the fix. And hopefully you found this video so it could save you hours and hours of time and pain and suffering. So anyway, if you like this content, please boink, hit the subscribe button, boink, hit the like button. It does help out the channel. Hopefully this will fix your vSAN issues. Stay safe out there. We'll talk to you soon.